Guys, I'm back with another one, and in this one we are going to take a look at the antenna upgrade for the DJI goggles from LHCXRC. First of all, I will do the unboxing and see what's inside the box, and also I'm going to put it on my goggles and do a comparison flight with the stock antennas and with these upgraded ones. So yeah, let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box we have the plate containing the patch antennas that are facing the front, and we are going to take the plate of the goggles and mount these two. We have two Omni antennas, and we have new replacement screws and printed parts for the SMA to ease the mounting. So yeah, let's go and mount the new antennas. To replace the antennas you just need to remove these two screws holding the front plate on it. Once removed, you need two screws from the kit. Let's compare it. I think they should be a bit longer. As predicted, the shorter ones are original ones and the longer ones are what's needed to mount the antennas, or rather front plate. It's good time to mount the SMA screws, and you just simply place the kit antenna plate onto the front and just screw the two screws that you removed. Once mounted, the plates sit really nicely on the goggles. Only thing you need to do right now is to secure the SMAs. So once mounted, the SMA connector is routed to the bottom. It's suggested to do it this way because this antenna is always receiving signal, and it's best for the patch to have always the signal when the goggle switch modes. There are two modes. In one, this antenna is inactive, and in other, this antenna is inactive. So you still have two patches and one Omni, or vice versa. And to note, this only functions with V1 goggles. These are V1 goggles because they are only 5.8 gigahertz. The newer V2 goggles, or rather the newest goggles from DJI, are 2.4 and 5.8, and they are switching, so these antennas are 5.8 and only work with V1 goggles. So for the other Omni antennas, this is simply screwing on to the SMA. These are the goggles with all the antennas mounted. We have the front plate connected via two SMA cables to the bottom, and we have two Omni antennas on each side that are mounted on top. So for this, it's really obvious that it's really taking a lot less space here. Maybe I can even put it inside the goggle pouch that came with the goggles, and don't need to remove the antennas. So yeah, next is to compare flight with similar pod with the stock antennas and with these, and we need to check if these antenna yield any performance upgrade for the goggles itself. So yeah, let's go and do just that. For the test flights, I'm going to use my Dream frame with the Vista unit set to 200 milliwatts and some random cheap antenna on the back. So everything else is the same on both flights, just the antennas will change. So we'll do a DVR recording and see which one performs better. Well, after the flights, I can tell they are pretty similar, but if you take a look at the terrain, you have all these catacombs in front, and I'm flying straight over them. And everything is behind these catacomb structures. So in case of these new antennas, I think they are a bit better. The other part, this wooden area, it handled pretty much the same, but for the penetration I would still suggest you upgrade your antennas to these, as they are pretty much inexpensive and really nice upgrade for your goggles. Yeah, if you like them, I will leave the link down in the description, and yeah, get yours. See you in the next one.